Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAL, American Airlines. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback on this one continues. Pretty crazy to think that just on Monday, the price was actually all the way up here, and now it's just continued to drift and drift and drift, and essentially has almost gone right back to where it has, all started. And that's why this area, in my mind at least, is relatively important. And that is this gap close location at 1150. And I'm not saying that this is what's going to actually happen, but the reason why I would consider this such an important level is if the price were to come down to 1150, break down below it, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but to have a movement make an explosive move and then go right back to where it started, not exactly a sign of true, genuine power. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is why, in my opinion, at least that $11.50 mark is a very, very important level of support to watch moving forward. Now, to be fair, maybe this downwards drift is finally over and the price is getting ready to turn itself back around. So if there is any sort of attempted turn, movements back to the upside, first key level of resistance to watch is going to be right there at the $11.90 mark. And then you're also going to want to keep a close eye on that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the very well known, the very famous 50 period moving average. Currently value of that, we'll call it right there at the $12.50 mark. So keep a close eye on those couple of areas right now. But as of now, there's no doubt about it. The bears are back in control, it seems like. But the price does still have an opportunity to avoid going back to where it all began. But that's why, again, that $11.50 mark, very, very critical moving into Friday. So let's see how things play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.